wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best magnetic toys. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Equipped with more than 300 words, the original magnetic poetry kit makes a great gift for any children or adults who like to unleash their inner bard. It's also fun for anyone who wants to add humorous or inspirational messages to a kitchen or an office break room. It helps develop creative writing skills and is made in the USA. However, it is tedious to unpack. At number 9, the mudpuppy robots consist of a storage tin that doubles as a sturdy surface for arranging the objects and characters contained within. Youngsters can make customized friends and then come up with stories about them for some really imaginative play. It includes 4 illustrated backgrounds and is a compact, travel-friendly design, but the thin pieces can tear easily. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the magnetic stick and stack igloo set comes with 40 tiles in a variety of shapes, colors, and styles, each with a clear center panel. They're reinforced for durability so they can stand up to multiple drops and children who can play rough. It helps improve hand-eye coordination and comes with easy-to-follow directions. However, the attraction force is a bit weak. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for magnetic toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Thames and Kosmos Science Kit is a great learning tool that keeps kids engaged and having fun. They can use it to conduct a series of experiments that include building an electromagnet and using iron filings and a compass to see the forces of nature. It's recommended for ages 8 to 15 and includes a colorful instruction manual, but some of the materials feel a bit cheap. Moving up our list to number 6. With the leapfrog fridge phonics, tots can learn their letters and expand their vocabulary by placing interactive tiles on the talking base. They can also sing along when it plays tunes like the alphabet song and Wheels on the Bus. It helps to develop fine motor skills and is available in yellow or pink. It's also sold in a numbers set. Halfway up our list at number 5. The newisland building tiles are both entertaining and educational, allowing children to create myriad geometric shapes and structures out of this 40-piece set. It's made with safety in mind, with no small parts or possible pinched fingers to worry about. It all comes packed in a handy storage case with a manual that contains ideas. It's made of non-toxic ABS plastic. At number 4, ideal for older kids with good imaginations, the littlebits base inventor kit helps teach the basics of circuitry. It comes with connecting components and the instructions for building various functional items, such as a voice-activated robot gripper arm. There's a corresponding smartphone app, and it's expandable with additional sets. It comes from an award-winning manufacturer. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Melissa and Doug Julia dress-up comes with a wooden doll and 24 pieces to put together various outfits for her. You can make her an astronaut, a firefighter, a doctor, an artist, a chef, and more, or you can choose to mix up the different tops and bottoms. It includes a display stand and a compartmentalized storage tray. It's recommended for ages 3 and up. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for magnetic toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the magna-tiles clear colors are just as much fun for older kids as they are for preschoolers, and they can unlock your inner architect as they teach about balance and design. All 100 components connect easily to create cubes, pyramids, and other 3-dimensional shapes. It develops spatial and tactile skills, and there are many tutorial videos online. It's made of BPA-free materials. And taking the top spot on our list, the magformers building set consists of 30 squares and triangles that have strong neodymium magnets on each side. No constructions stay firmly connected once built. The pieces are compatible with other kits from the same manufacturer, so you can mix and match. It includes a useful ideas booklet and sports eye-catching rainbow colors. It's sturdy and made to last. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for magnetic toys, or simply click beneath this video.